Hey everyone, if you follow AI development, the pace is insane right now. The Alibaba teams released Qwen 3.7 yesterday and it's already ranking on the top models. So we will see the benchmark as it displays and it is competing with the top models like Claude Opus 4.6 and GPT 5.4 and almost it is competing with the models like Opus 4.7 and GPT 5.5. So this is the comparison. You can see Cloud Code 4.6 with comparing with the Cloud Opus 4.6, which is the top model. It is ahead from that. Like here, you can see terminal bench, that is Cloud Opus is 65 and the Qwen 3.7 is 69. And also you can see comparison SWE Bench Pro, and here in every area that is ahead from Cloud Opus 4.6. It means it is competing with the top model of Cloud, which is Opus 4.7, and also GPT for 5.5. So let's now explain the purpose, and also we will test it and see the capability of this top model of Alibaba team that they have released yesterday. So what is new in this Qwen 3.7 model? That is frontier coding agent, from front-end prototype into complex software engineering. And second, office productivity. It means the office work automation with MCP and multi-agent orchestration. Sustained autonomous execution across long horizon tasks. It means that one demo just run for 35 hour. Look at it. They just showed 35 hour and it called around 1000 tools. It called 1000 tools and it was running for 35 hour. It means it is for long horizon tasks and a cross coupled generation, it means that it can be integrated with the Cloud Code, OpenClaw, Queen Code, and other frameworks. So you can simply very easily integrate it with those. So this is the benchmark as I displayed you. Here, this is just the comparison with other models. It has just explained all the capabilities of this Qwen 3.7. As you can see, cross harness generalization performance, it is just displaying like that. So now we will test this. Okay, we will test it and we will just assign a hard task, a graphic 3D, a website, and we will build it. Just see the result, how it will looks like. So simply, as you can see, their post on x.com also that they posted yesterday, and you can see the result. And this is also an artificial analysis website, and as you can see, this is Qwen 3.7 Max and it is competing with the top model Gemini 3.1, Anthropics 4.7, and GPT 5.5, and ahead from other models and other open source models. So let's now test it. Okay, so to test it, before testing, let's see the pricing. Okay, I will just show you the pricing. So 2.50 per million token input token and 7.50 per output token, per million output token. So this is the pricing comparing to other models. It is very low comparing to the Cloud Code and Gemini. So you can see the pricing on Open Router also 2.50 per million input token, 7.50 per 1 million output token. And here, if you move to the Anthropic Cloud Opus 4.6, that is 5 per million input and 25 per million output token. So the comparison is very high, and also the Qwen 3.7 is best in Opus 4.6. So it was all about this. Now let's test it. Okay. So to test it, I will use their integrated chart.qwen.ai, and here we will select Qwen 3.7 Max. After selecting this, let's now paste our prompt. So our prompt is something like create a complete single file interactive 3D web experience using Three.js. The scene must include allow fully rotating planet with the glowing atmospheric rim effect and 2 3 orbit moons, and these are something that I showed, and now we will see the results. So it will be insane. You just wait until the results. So let's press, so it will generate the HTML file for us, the code for us. So it has generated the code. Now let's copy this code. Simply copy this code and we will move to the VS code, and here we will create a file index.html, and let's paste our code here. Let's save it. Now we will run this. So let's right click, open in File Explorer, and double click to open and run it. So let's wait. As you can see the result, look at are just rotating around this as we explained. So the result was like that. Very clean and insane and beautiful that it is designed. So this was the result as I showed you, and you can just use this top model and come to the open router. You can use through open router or Alibaba own model scope API, and the price is low but the result is insane. Result is something amazing that you can test and just try it once. You will enjoy coding and other tasks with this top model. So it was all about today's topic that I just explained, the Qwen 3.6 capabilities. The video was helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.